This car has cost me almost 60,000 Canadian dollars since I bought it. And that's not just the purchase price, that's everything. Insurance, gas, mods, maintenance, and the mistakes also. Every single dollar. Today, I'm breaking it all down and hiding nothing. Let's start at the beginning. So, I bought this GR86 at the end of December 2024 finance. All in after everything, the car, the taxes, fees, financing cost, 50,000 Canadian dollars. That's the number most people see and think that's the whole story. But it's not even close to the whole story, because the moment you drive off the lot, the expenses never stop. They just change the shape. For insurance, this one hurt for a while. When I first got the car, I was paying $290 a month. That's $3,480 a year just to have permission to drive it. I paid that rate from December 2024 all the way until about 2 months ago. Then I called my insurance and told them the truth. Like, I don't really daily drive this car. I drive maybe 3,000 kilometers a year in it. Then that one conversation dropped my rate from $290 a month to $164 a month. Total insurance spent so far roughly about $5,258, and that number is going down now, which is the good news. Lesson: always tell your insurance exactly how you use your car. It could have saved me thousands. Gas is actually the cheapest running cost on this car, and that's only because I don't drive it that much. About $75 a month on average over 20 months. So the total gas spent is around $1,500. But I'll be honest, before the cold air intake install, I was getting about 390 kilometers per tank. Now I'm getting around 300. So that number is slowly creeping up. Nothing dramatic, but worth nothing. Sorry for interrupting this video, but this video is brought to you by Parent Performance. You guys saw my engine bay before. Stock, boring, nothing is going on. So I picked up their engine bay dress up kit, which is specifically made for the GR86, and honestly this is probably going to be one of the easiest install I've ever done. Bolt on, no modifications, just makes everything look way cleaner under the hood. Perrin has been making performance and styling parts for over 25 years, so the quality is there. Now if you want your own dress up kit or any performance parts at all, use my code PERRINFTW10 at checkout, link in the description, and let's get back into the video. Maintenance has been relatively light so far, and I'll tell you why. The car is still under warranty, so oil changes has been free. When that ends, I'll be doing them myself, just paying for parts, so maybe around $100 of oil and filter. What I have paid for is a wheel alignment and a wheel alignment, which was $120, and the door harness, which I messed up while doing my door projector install. The part alone was $450 on that. Labor from Toyota is still pending because they have been trying to get the right part, because the one I paid for was the wrong part. So yeah, but total maintenance so far is around $570, and that door situation is a reminder that a bad install can turn from a cheap mod to an expensive problem real fast. Now the mods, and this is where it gets interesting because this is the money I choose to spend. Custom social media stickers, about $100. Interior LED upgrade, these were free. Clear side markers, $18.38. Third brake light, $146.70. The door projectors, $76.20. Perrin strut bar, $285. Perrin engine bay dress up kit, $996.54. K&N cold air intake, $723.44. So the total mods are $2,246.26 in under 2 years alone, and none of that adds up to the resale value of this car. Every dollar spent on mods is a dollar you don't get back. That's the reality of modding a car. People don't even tell you. So let's add it all up. Purchase price $50,000, insurance $5,258, gas $1,500, maintenance $570, mods $2,346.26. Almost $60,000 on a car I have owned for less than 2 years. A car I don't even daily drive. Is it worth it? That depends entirely on what you're getting out of it. For me, this car is an investment in my content, in this channel, in something I am building long term. Without it, none of this exists. But if you are just buying a GR86 because it looks cool, go in with your eyes opened, because the sticker price is just the beginning. If you're thinking about buying a GR86 or any sports car in general, I hope this video gave you the real picture, not the YouTube highlight reel version. The actual numbers. Budget for more than the purchase price. Budget for insurance, for gas, maintenance, and the mod you're inevitably going to want once you own it. Drop a comment and tell me, does this change how you think about buying a sports car? And subscribe, because next week I'm answering a question I get all the time: why I slow down on mods so fast after going so hard in the beginning. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.